Namaskara. Now I am teaching Simhasana. Simha means a lion. Asana resembles the lion, hence the name. Person who is suffering from cough should not do this, because while doing itself he will get a cough. First cure your cough, then you can do. Person who is suffering from knee pain should not do this, and cardiac trouble patient should not do this. Others, all of them can practice this. Here you are going to breathe through the mouth breathing. Initially you should not overstretch. If you overstretch, you will start getting one kind of cough and dryness. So initially you should not overstretch. After 4 or 5 days practice, you can stretch it properly. Then that will get set right. You get good benefits. Advantage of this asana. This asana is very good for foul breath. It's bad breath. Thyroid problems, vocal cord problems, stammering. This is also called Saundaryavardhaka. Means the asana which increase the beauty of the skin without any cosmetics. This is an essential asana for cine actors, because it helps to maintain the beauty of the skin. This is an essential asana for singers. They can get good tone, and this asana gives good vision also. There you are going to apply the fine pressure on the eyeballs. This asana gives facial effect to the skin without facial. That helps to increase the beauty of the skin. Here you are going to apply the fine pressure on the face. This is an essential asana for a black circle of the eyes. Should sit in Vajrasana. Then you should cross the legs like this. Left knee should come out. Rest your palms on the knees. Spread the fingers against the knees. Back position should be like this. Should take like this. Exhale and straight the tongue out. Like this, as much as possible. Then breathe through the mouth. Maintain the vision upwards, like this. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Then you should do with the opposite leg. Like this. You should take the right leg up. Right knee should come up. Press the palms against the knees. Spread the fingers. Exhale and straight the tongue out. Breathe through the mouth. Here you should maintain the vision downwards. In the first stage, eyeballs were upwards. Here you should maintain downwards. Vision should be downwards. Like this. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Sir, I can't do. I have knee pain, ankles pain. There, you can sit in Sukhasana. You can rest your palms on the knee joints. Then you can do. Like this. There, you can change the leg and do the same with the maintenance of the vision downwards. And next thing, question, sir, I can't sit on the floor. How can I get benefit? You can sit on the chair and you can do. Asana is simple, but advantages are more. Practice Simhasana and get shine of the skin and other lot of benefits. Happy time.